Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Good morning, beautiful people out there. Hope you guys are doing well. So we are here at the grocery store doing some shopping. Not much though, just to get us through because last day of school is tomorrow. The lighting. So the kids' last day, well, Maddie's last day of school will be tomorrow. So we're just getting stuff for today. But we have our HelloFresh stuff coming. So we're just getting a few things. We gotta use my phone. There's some cameras in the car. But yeah, so just want to check it with you guys and let y'all know what we're doing. Welcome to another episode of the 12 Days of Christmas. I feel like I have been vlogging all over the place. We have just been so busy. It's been a busy week because y'all know how it is at the end of the school year and the holidays coming up. So we did a little bit of Christmas shopping. Oh, sorry. We did a little bit of Christmas shopping and got the kids a few. And then went grocery shopping, which you guys saw earlier. And then what else? Our housekeepers came by, cleaned our house. Oh my gosh, y'all don't understand how good it feels to have a clean house. Like, I know some moms be like, oh, I have kids and I just can't keep, girl. Baby, I'm a mama too. But one thing about it, this house gonna be clean, okay? Like, I can't stand a dirty house. So then we had a photo shoot with Brianna because I have not shot like content with her in a while, and I just, like I said, I need to get back in the groove. So just shooting with her really motivated me and just got my creative juices going again and everything. Plus we had like so many like matching outfits that I was like, nah, we're gonna put these together and we're gonna go shoot and get these out. So now we're home and we're about to get something to eat. I just love my hair. So this is my hair, you guys. Well, let me not lie. So this is my hair here. And then I have put a faux bun up there. So you guys can see, because I want to start wearing my hair out more. I don't know, I'm just over, until I can get to a professional to do my wigs again. I mean, a new flat iron because I had this old Chi that I had for years. It wasn't giving what I needed for my natural hair. So I got a Babyliss and it was a little pricey, but it definitely straightened my hair and it kept it straight, because this humidity and dryness is just something else. And I like my outfit. Let me show y'all one of the outfits that I shot in. So I'm doing my silk skirts. This is from Banana Republic Factory, because I told her that's what we have down here. And then my double, what called color block shirt. Got this from Mad Rag. I told y'all how I went to Mad Rag down in the valley. I love that store back in the day. I don't hear nobody say. But so it's a double color. So it's like on one side, the other. So I just love it. Make sure you follow me on Instagram so you guys can see everything and all of that. So anyways, I'm about to get us something to eat because I am starving like a Marvin. Oh, Tristan had his Christmas program. We were late. I felt so bad because Troy would not let me get ready this morning. So it was just a situation, but at least we were there. We got there, we got to see him, but I felt so bad being late. I'm about to get something to eat because I'm starving, and let me show you guys what the big guy made. He's been cooking it up lately because we basically have an agreement. He cooks, I clean, because he's the better cook out of both of us. So have crock pot meal here. So let me see, get the stirring. So yeah, I've got some mushrooms and veggies, onions, meat. I know it looks weird because it's been cooking all day and it's dark, but y'all, this joint is popping, okay? He made this for us and it's just so good. So let me go ahead and get my life and get some. So good, y'all. We usually eat it with rice, but we're trying to cut back on carbs. And I already had rice today, so I can't have rice with the soup just because I'm trying to be carb conscious. So y'all know we did a HelloFresh thing. You know, grocery being so high, like literally our boxes that we're going to be getting cost so much less than what we pay for when we go grocery shopping every week. Like everything's just going up so high. So we have a few meals coming next week, so that's why we went grocery shopping to buy stuff for like lunch and breakfast, and then we'll make our boxes at night. But we had this just so good. I love it with rice, but so anywho, about to eat. I don't want to chew while I'm on camera. The big guy had to take Maddie to gymnastics because after our photo shoot, she reminded us that we had to take her to gymnastics. So he's taking her right now, and then after that we're going to do some little holiday, well, not really holidays, but we're gonna make brownies for us. We're gonna make some brownies after that and get ready for night because tomorrow is their last day of the quarter, and yeah, I'm so excited. Beautiful people. So I'm out here in these streets. I'm about to go to Target real quick to get something for Maddie's teacher. I'm just in a giving spirit where I just want to like give little tokens of appreciation to the people who have blessed us and been there for us, especially my kids. So I gave cards to my housekeepers yesterday, and then I bought a card for my photographers, but I forgot to give it to her yesterday, so I'm gonna give it to her tomorrow. But I just came from picking up some Indian food, y'all. So I have a friend here. Basically, she has her own catering food business here, and I love some Indian food, y'all. Okay, so I follow her on Facebook, and I've been meaning to order something. So I asked her what she's gonna be doing during the holidays, and she said no. So I was like, I need to go get mine. So I got this, some butter. What is this? Butter chicken, and then the rice, and then the yogurt sauce, and then this. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to put the name right here for y'all. But it's a mango. It's a mango drink of some sort. So good, y'all. Oh my god. Because I love me some mangoes, but I've never tried the butternut, so I'm excited to try it. Let's try together. Oh no, my battery's real low. So yeah, I gotta hurry because I gotta. Y'all know how I get sometime when I be in Target, be lollygagging, but I'm going in because this get crowded. Y'all know how I feel about crowds. I don't do well with crowds. That's why I barely vlog in public, because I just don't want to draw more attention to myself. But ooh, y'all see that? Ooh, that's good. Mmm. Ooh, that's good. Mmm. Mmm. My God, that's good. Holy crap. Mmm. Sorry, I don't like chewing on camera. My bad, y'all, but wow. That is good. Mmm. That is good. If you're here in Laredo and you need some Indian, I'm gonna leave her Facebook page for y'all down below because this is good. Okay, so this is why I can't lose weight, because I'm always eating. Mmm. Dang, yeah, I should have gotten a plate. That's why I'm probably going to Target and go buy me a plate. I want to make y'all jealous because this food is good. So let me let me finish eating some basic. So this is basically my solo date right here. This is my solo date for today because I was like, I need to get out the house and get some solo time. Of course, with Troy, he's in the back sleeping. I was like, let me give me some solo time before I have to pick up the kids because they're going to be on Christmas break. So I needed some time to myself. And this is my solo date. I usually go get, you know, sushi and stuff like that, but now, this is our solo date right here, okay? My God. Okay, my bad, y'all. We're going ice skating, kiddos. Excited?
I thought it was actually nuts.
I told you.
I actually thought it was not like this. I thought it was actually next week. My eyes, I was like, how did I hear mommy like that? Or did the time change? I was like,
You're so silly. So Daddy tricked them and said we were going to church, but we're going ice skating. Excited?
I got my skirt.
Yay! And she wants us to go ice skating together since I was pregnant last year and couldn't skate with her. So I'm gonna try
if
it.
she fell, Troy would go, pop.
Yep. Back. Sorry, now I gotta use my phone because my camera just died, so the quality's weird. Triplets, hey y'all. Twinsies. Yes. Oh my gosh, face and all. Hey boo.
You just needs a mustache.
Yep. Boo boo. Hi. Hey. My guys. Big guy, littlest guy.
So we're opening mine.
Yes.
My ranch.
So we're home now, you guys, and we are about to get ready for bed because, well, it's the weekend now, so the kids are home for the holidays, and I guess let them stay up a little bit, but We are back from ice skating. So the sessions are only 45 minutes. And so we got there a little late and then we went to the front, but we were supposed to go on the other side. So kind of, I guess, what would you say, we wasted like 5 minutes?
Yeah, we lost another 5 minutes walking around the building.
Yeah.
Because they bought the tickets on one side and the entrance was on the opposite side of the building.
But it was fun nonetheless. So I went first just to make sure I still had it, you know. And then I had Maddie and Tristan, but Tristan, he just kept falling all over the place and they didn't have enough of the little things for the kids to have. So I had to hold him and then we switched but we'll be going back. I mean, he'll be there for a couple of days. It's nice that they're finally getting things here to do, especially during the holidays, because when I see so much happening in Austin, Houston, and in the Valley, I just get jealous because the holidays is my favorite season. And when there's nothing to do, that bothers me. So just nice to be able to do stuff. So, aww. Yeah. To say goodbye. Aw, I love those, my goodness. So answer here, you guys. I think that is it for today's Vlogmas, or what episode is this? 3? I think I'm on 3 now. So I'm gonna try to, since the kids are home with me, I'll try to vlog more so I can get my vlogs going and all of that good stuff. And I think I have enough footage to put together because I don't want to make it too long, and then I want to be able to maintain, you know, keep the vlogs going and all that good stuff. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and share with everyone that you know. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Say bye, bud. Aw, bye. Peace.